Hello, thank you for purchasing your Ganjagrid plant vibration trainer. In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble the chandelier mount to your 1x1 Ganjagrid so you can suspend it from above. First, locate the 10 purse locks that secure your Z-links, Z-stands, and chandelier mount to your Ganjagrid. Go ahead and untwist those purse locks to remove those items. The Z-links will be demonstrated in a different video. For the time being, understand that one side has a Z that will go into the grid, and the other side will have a hook that goes around your stem or your stalk. Next, we'll remove the purse locks that secure the Z-stands to your Ganjagrid. The Z-stands are also shown in a different video on how to assemble them to your Ganjagrid. Remember, do not discard your purse locks as you will use them later to attach your plants to your grid. As you can see, your Z-stands have a 90-degree bend and a Z-bend for assembly. Finally, we'll go ahead and remove the remaining purse locks and chandelier mount. The chandelier mount will allow you to suspend your Ganjagrid from above, and it is recommended that you use rope ratchets so that you can adjust your height easily. Again, remember, do not discard your purse locks. They are a perfect tool for securing your plant to your Ganjagrid. Next, I will demonstrate how to loop one of the ends around the corner of your 1x1 Ganjagrid. These chandelier mounts will be looped into each corner and looped into your rope, ratchet, strap, or other device. Go ahead and get your loop and place it over the two ends at the corner and then rotate it up as shown. Again. So we're going to go ahead and on each corner put the loop sideways through the two rails and then twist upwards. Do this on all four corners. Once you have all of the chandelier mount onto all four corners, lightly position them towards the center of your grid. And then grab your rope ratchet strap or similar hanging device and one by one secure each one of the chandelier mounts through the device. Once you have this done, then position your Ganjagrid to the correct height that you want it to be in and attain your surface resonator. Grab your surface resonator and simply fit it through one of the sides and place it on your transmitter plate. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and post your progress so we can all grow together.